Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. It looks like Sony isn't slowing down and is already hard at work on two new smartphones that could hit the market next year. According to the latest available data, Sony is preparing two new smartphones at once, the flagship Xperia VIII Mark-8 and the affordable Xperia X Mark-8, revealing new smartphone characteristics, features, specs, price, and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Following the recent release of the Xperia X Mark VII, the company is apparently preparing to release its successor, the Xperia X Mark VIII, as well as a new flagship, rumored to be called the Xperia I Mark VIII. Sony's device naming tradition appears to be continuing. The top-of-the-line model launches first, followed by a more affordable version. We've already seen the Xperia I 7 and X 7, and it looks like a similar scenario awaits us in 2026. Interestingly, 6 variants of the Xperia X 8 with different model numbers have already surfaced in the database, likely representing versions for different countries and carriers, as mentioned in the video. Additionally, another variant has been discovered, possibly destined for the Japanese market and related to the future flagship. While technical details about the new models are still under wraps, some hints have already emerged. The Xperia I VIII is expected to feature the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the same chip rumored to appear in other high-end smartphones in 2026. The Xperia X 8, however, like its predecessor, will likely feature a Snapdragon 6 series processor or a similar mid-range solution. Interestingly, while Sony is preparing new models, it's not forgetting about supporting existing devices. The Xperia X 7 recently received a firmware update in Europe and Japan, and updates for the flagship Xperia I 6 and for VIII 7 also continue to be released. The Xperia I 8 will get a lightweight design and decent battery life. The camera is excellent, although the software still needs some work. The Xperia X 8, meanwhile, will feature a refreshed design with a 6.1-inch OLED display and a budget Snapdragon processor. Sony's approach to mobile photography and its signature design have always appealed to fans, but the Xperia I V8 price will get around $1,500+, especially compared to competitors offering similar features for less. Nevertheless, I'm eager to see what Sony surprises next year, which is expected in June 2026. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.